Have you ever wondered what one of the best tactics is for making money online when you're on this channel? Getting money deposited immediately into your PayPal account. Do you want to know how to do that? Well, you need to watch until the end of the video in order to learn how. It's all done using mobile applications, which I will show you today. And I'm going to show you today 9 fantastic apps that are simple to use, and some of them include the potential to make you a large sum of money online simply by performing certain tasks in one of those applications in which you may earn $50 or more every single day. Imagine how much money you can make if you completed the exam on all 9 applications. So stay for a while, wizards, so you don't miss out on this particular software. I'm the Investor Wizard, back again with yet another incredible tutorial for you. And on this channel, we will guide you on how to become a wizard yourself. Let's start with the first application, which is called plugco.in. With this software, you can easily monetize your influencer audience. It's so simple to accomplish that you can even earn $200 each day. This is also the program that I utilize to produce over $50 online. And all you have to do is you choose an application to advertise, tell your friends about it, and the app pays you for each install you receive. For example, if you're marketing one of these applications for 50 cents per install and you get 10 downloads, you will earn $5, which you can put into your PayPal account right away. As you can see, earning money is a plug, and you'll get points for your promotions. You can change your points in for money, and PayPal allows you to cash out at any time. And right now, you can obtain quick payments and keep your job. And as a customer, keep track of your account history. And as a result, you will get points in this application for which you'll be able to trade in. For example, if you make about 15,000 points for using this application, you will receive $550 into your PayPal account, which is truly amazing and magical. This is something for which you will be compensated also by inviting your friends and family. You can post these apps on social media, and you may even create campaigns and market them on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube, resulting in installs and money for all of them. Now on to the second application. This one is also extremely fascinating. The name of the second one is called influencers.MNFST. Here you may win awards and grow your influence. And as you can see, this software is available on both the Apple Store and Google Play. It allows you to be compensated for your Instagram posts, and here's how it works. You make an Instagram post and you'll be paid within 24 hours. On this one, simply posting an article or a feed post can earn you roughly 50 cents per day, which isn't bad at all. This is the logic. You start small, but as your platform's influence grows, you'll be able to earn a share of $90,000, which top users have made from this platform. Now this app appears to be new, so jump on it while it's still new so they'll pay more money than if it's been there for a few years. Now to summarize, it's called MNFST, and all you have to do is post it on Instagram to get paid about particular themes. What a fun way to earn money, right? And now before we go any further, if you've enjoyed the video so far and you want to become a wizard yourself, make sure to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. And if you found this tutorial interesting so far, leave a comment down below and let me know if you'd like to become a wizard yourself. Now let's get back to work and keep making money. We'll get started with the third application now. And this one is also intriguing, and it's available on both the App Store and Google Play as well. And it's called the Money app, and you can find it at moneyapp.org. You may get your money using PayPal, as you can see on the right side. This program allows you to do a lot of things. So let's see how it works, right? You may earn credit, pay it out, and have fun with your money. Payouts are made directly to your PayPal account and can take about 48 hours. This software allows you to earn money by watching videos, repairing others, and completing surveys. It will not only make you wealthy overnight, but it can help supplement your income and help you financially. This app is also free and available on both Google Play and the App Store, and this is the fourth application, wizards, and it's a pretty simple one. All you have to do is take a questionnaire, and then you'll have the possibility to win $10 every day. You can find the people who make $10 every day on this platform by clicking on winners. If if you want to be the next person to make $10 every day, all you have to do is download the app, take the quiz, and you'll be able to earn $10 every single day, just like all of these people. Very easy, and it's also a lot of fun to play. I've tried this one a couple times and it's pretty simple and entertaining. So if you want to make money or have the opportunity to make money through some enjoyable methods, I definitely recommend this one. Now let's take a look at the fifth application, which is called Dosh.com, and let me tell you, it is also fantastic. This software has a terrific feature that allows you to make a lot of money. You can see what you're going to do by scrolling down, and this is a cashback app, but we're not going to make money with that approach today. However, you can earn money by simply referring others. All you have to do is refer other wizards, and you'll earn $5 for each wizard that signs up and links a verified credit card or debit card. So $5 for any friend who signs up is a good deal, and if you can get 10 people to sign up, well, guess what? You've already made $50. You get 20 people to sign up, guess what that is? $100. This is a fantastic opportunity for you to make a lot of money. So what have you got to lose, wizards? Start referring other people to this application and you'll be able to make that enormous sum of money. Now on to the sixth application, and it is perhaps the biggest make money online company in the world, and it is called Swagbucks.com, which has been around for many years and is quite popular. And as you can see, they have a PayPal payout option of $5 all the way up to $250, and they have a variety of incentives that you can earn a set amount of money by completing the Swagbucks requirements. But what will you do on this website in order to earn these Swagbucks? Well, Swagbucks can be earned by doing certain things like taking surveys, watching movies, and playing games. As a result, you can pursue occupations that you enjoy because they give you a variety of options. And you can easily earn $50 to $100 per day by doing these simple tasks. Now on to the seventh piece of software. This application's name is BuzzBreak News, and it is extremely popular and it rewards you for clicking. You can also earn on the platform by referring people. As you can see, you can make real money and cash out, as this one also pays via PayPal. So you can click to read the news or watch some videos and get paid for all that with this application. And now on to the next one. But just as a reminder, as we get closer to the end, pay close attention because application number 8 is quite similar to the first one, and it can be found at YolkNetwork.com. It will also provide you with offers or applications to advertise, and you will be paid per install just like the first software, the Plug app. As a result, you can advertise programs on social media, give them to friends and relatives to install, and you will be paid per install. It's that easy. You can also identify apps and services that you target market or enjoy and earn money from them whenever you want. This one is also accessible on Google Play and the App Store, and as you can see, it's fairly simple and identical to the first. Now let's go on to the ninth and final software, and this one is called AppFlame, which pays you to play video games. And as you can see, if you scroll down, you may collect coins for playing games and then redeem them for wonderful rewards. There are also gift cards available from Amazon, PayPal Money, Google Play gift cards, and Google Play Money that are all accessible. You are welcome to invite and recommend all your friends, but I would advise you to play some games and collect some coins so that you can do what you want while getting paid as soon as possible by your people. Now with that said, I want you to start using all of these strategies right away to start earning money and getting PayPal directly into your PayPal accounts, fellow wizards. Start with the first website and work all the way through the remaining 8, and that way you'll get the most out of all of your efforts to put the giant wad of cash into your wallets. You won't believe it, but that's all it takes to make easy money. Fellow wizards, if you made it this far, please give it a thumbs up and check out our other videos for more material like this that will make you money and show you how to become a wizard yourself. Be sure to subscribe to the channel, and we will see you soon, wizards.